Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Bharat. And as you can see, I just saw this comment today which where the person asked me that he doesn't know where the coolant tank is, that is like coolant level indicator in Cbr250r. So this is my Cbr resting, and as you can see over here near the right foot peg, that is brake pedal, you can see this funny looking thing which is nothing but a plastic or fiber. I don't know which material it is, but it has been mounted near the engine by a small, that is a star screwdriver. Here is a small cutout from where you can see the indication of the coolant tank. The coolant tank is way behind this, so it would be a little difficult for you to access. So all I suggest is just take some light like this and just keep it near there. So now when you can I'm not getting it. Yeah, now you can see there's a coolant tank, and yes, so this small thing line is middle, that is minimum level, and the top one is the maximum level. The coolant should be in between those. As you can see, there is a little transparent area, that is I filled my coolant which has a yellow color. So you can see, I'm just zooming in, there is something written it. I just cannot see the upper and lower. Yeah, the coolant level should be in between those. When you just shake your bike, you can see the coolant is shaking. So that's how you check your coolant level. Just place some light below the engine and you can see those. That's it guys, and hope you got some information from this video, and keep sharing. It's been a long while since I uploaded a video, and here is my collection. Same old RX, and the new one is Vespa, and my other one Cbr. So that's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. Keep supporting. Thank you.